Coming up next, the Chief Executive Officer of defunct Menzgold, Nanapia Mensah, also known as Nam1, pleads not guilty to criminal charges leveled against him, setting the stage for the trial to begin as the state hints on pushing for a daily trial. But will this bring relief to those who lost their investment? We're going to be finding out shortly. And earlier today, my colleague, Lord Edwasari, our chief law correspondent here at Media General, was in court today and gave us the details of what happened in court today. Take a look.
We are okay with what happened today. I think it's the first day, so the police were taken, his plea was taken, and also the fact that the AG has hinted of coming back with an application for speedy trial. And that's been our request. I'm sure TV3, you carried it out. So we are happy with that one, and we would want to see that one happen so that there will be the speedy trial will lead to speedy justice. Our ultimate is to have speedy justice. While the trial is going on, that we will request the president that he will give us a financial bailout. He bailed us already. Even the defense team was saying that 5 years had been wasted already. And so now the new energy with the AG, the deputy AG himself handling the case, we would want that Mr. President will graciously grant us financial bailout to bail us out. Especially when today even the defense team said that among the properties that have been frozen, he even indicated one of them is worth 54 million Ghana cedis. Some of the vehicles which were sold, that AG also mentioned, the gold bars. So we believe that the Menzgold case is not a lost battle, as some people think out there. There are some assets, there are some monies available that could be used to cushion us. So I believe when the president takes the decision to pay us pending the determination of the case, it will be in the right order. In fact, one of the greatest things he will do is that he will save lives. Already 217 people have gone already. And so if the president today makes a pronouncement that he will want to take care of our costs pending the trial, I think it will be in order.
Well, so that's Fred Fawson, who speaks for the Menzgold customers, the aggrieved Menzgold customers. But earlier today, Alfred Tuayeboa, who is the Deputy Attorney General, who appeared in court on this matter, gave a strong indication that the state is considering a daily trial of this Nanapia Mensah case. Take a look.
Yes, we are of the humble opinion that this is a matter that we must apply to the courts for an expedited hearing. So at the case management stage, we'll put up that application and request the court, subject to the court's convenience, to have this matter heard on daily basis. We want this matter to be heard so that those depositors can know their fate, so the accused person also can also know his fate. Now, if you go to the United States, if you go to the UK, if you go to the world, all the other countries, economic crimes or financial crimes, they are the most difficult crimes. They are the most difficult cases to prosecute. You need to spend a lot of time to look at the evidence, comb through the evidence so well. If you fail to do so and you want to rush with the prosecution, the only assurance you can have is that you are likely to fail. In our case, we've taken our time to go through the voluminous record. We've taken our time to look at the evidence available, and we'll make sure that we do the right thing so that the customers also will have justice. So that's what we are seeking to do. So let's forget about the circuit court one, because we have to use that time to dot the I's and cross the T's. We are now set to prosecute the matter.
Well, so that's the Deputy Attorney General there on this indication of a daily trial for Nanapia Mensah's case, and then also the reaction that the Menzgold customers have been giving to this. And we do know, at least per the Attorney General's own account, that these fresh charges that have been leveled against Apia Mensah is something they intend to pursue. But let's do this quickly. That's Fred Forson, who is the leader of the aggrieved Menzgold customers. He's joining us quickly. Mr. Forson, so if you can hear me, this daily trial you've been asking for, that's what the Attorney General, the Deputy Attorney General is saying the state is going to pursue. Satisfied? Hello? Unfortunately, Fred Forson's connection not too good for us. Well, anyway, we don't say thank you so much for joining us here on Ghana Tonight. On behalf of the rest of the team, we appreciate your company. Join us same time tomorrow. I am Alfred Okanse. Have a good night.